Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Math Club. In this video we're going to talk about the difference between congruent and similar shapes. Now you have to know the meaning of these words so you can differentiate between the shapes. Now congruent means what? Congruence means, or congruence, or being congruent means identical. And identical means what? It means having the same side or same sides lengths and the same angles. So having the same sides lengths and the same angles means congruent. It means they are identical to each other. There's no difference between the shape or the shapes. Now, this is the meaning of congruent. But similar means what? Similar means they are the same, but they are not identical. For example, if you have two triangles, one of them is smaller than the other one, but they are the same in angles, and the sides, they have a relation between them in which they are an enlargement of each other, for example. In this situation, we say they are similar. Now, we're going to study congruent and similar shapes, and we're going to differentiate between them, and we're going to study the rules of congruence in triangles. Now, first, let's take a look at this question, and we will answer together. Question 3, which of these shapes are congruent? And which shapes are similar? Now, as we said, congruent means identical. Which shapes here, you can say they are identical. And remember, you can flip the shapes as much as you can. So flipping the shape doesn't change the fact that they are congruent. Now, the answer will be, very good, we have A and C, they are congruent. Good. And we have, which ones? Very good. B and E are congruent. Good. So, here we have A and C, and we have B and E. These are congruent. Very good. And we say they are congruent because they are identical. Very good. Now, which ones are similar? Which ones are similar? And similar means what? As we said, similar means they are the same, but they're not identical. They are not identical. It means they have an enlargement relation between each other. For example, let's take a look at shape E and G. Good. We have E and G. Yes, E and G are similar. Good. And we have B, F and A are similar. Very good. So E and G and A and F, they are similar. You can say A and F or C and F. It's okay because A and C are the same, and we said B and E are the same. So you can say B and G or E and G, A and F or C and F, the same thing. And these shapes are similar because there's a relation of enlargement between them. And this is how you answer a question like this. You have to know the difference between congruent and similar shapes. And as I said, congruent means identical in all matters, in sides and angles. And similar means the same, but they're not identical, in which there's an enlargement relation between them. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.